When you can, clean up. Literally clean up.
It's chaos. I do not need any more chaos in my life yet. I just allow all this mess to just exist with me. Wondering why I'm so stressed. It's because it's dirty.
Hello. So, I've done something. I've gone and succumbed to the urge to get a Hydro Flask. Here's the proof. Yeah. For a while now, it's been, somewhat of a meme. Hydro Flasks have been. I see where it comes from now. Yeah, it's a joke at this point. And am I getting it ironically? Probably not. Because even though people are joking about it, cold for 24 hours, hot for 12 hours, it's true. I put some water in it this morning. This morning at like 6, and it's like 6 p.m. It's been 12 hours. It's still cold. So, still cold. It was like $1,000. Like, these things are so expensive. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, but they're not cheap. Now, the way that I justified this was that, let's just say, I was getting a little tired of ignoring the alarming taste that was in my previous water bottle. Had to be something dangerous, who knows, at least mildly dangerous. But I didn't have any time to be thinking about that, and I just needed to stay hydrated. So I'm moving past that, I'm breaking down, and I'm getting a new water bottle. It just happens to be $50, which is, for a water bottle, that's just a tad bit extreme. But I got it for you. I got it for all of you, so that we can have a fun time here. And as some of you may know, I am bougie. Boujee. I like nice things. So I just couldn't get a Hydro Flask, you don't just get a Hydro Flask. I needed to spruce up said Hydro Flask. Just make it that much better. And that much more expensive looking, because people already know it's expensive. Now people are gonna be like, oh, where did you get that from, darling? They're not gonna say that. Who's saying that? Who is that? I'm gonna show you how I did it. I'm gonna show you how I made this little thing. Isn't it nice? Just, oh, what'd you say? This water's been in here for 40 years. It's still as cold as the day I put it in there. I'm gonna be honest, I should have got a smaller one because this is kind of ungainly. It's difficult to handle, but that's why I put this little thing right here, so you can just stabilize your life. Yeah. Let's make it.
Stinky poop. Poopies. Funny poopies. La 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 la.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
He needs some milk.
That was fun. I like that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching my video. I actually appreciate it a lot. All jokes aside, thank you so much. I would love it if you were to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Also, I would love for you to try this on your own. You know, I'm gonna be honest, it does take quite a bit of knowledge to do leather work, but I mean, you could do it with paper or something. With fabric, or I don't know. This was really fun. I really enjoy this, and I kind of want to do this to my other water receptacles, like my bathtub. If you want this, leave a comment saying that you want it, and like it. And if the video gets to some inordinate? What does that mean? Hey Google, what does inordinate mean?
Here's the definition of inordinate. Unusually or disproportionately large, excessive.
Wow, that's the right word. If I get an inordinate amount of likes on this video, I'll put it up on my website, KavonLeatherCompany.com. That's my, okay, beauty guru. That's my middle name, and it's the name of my leather company. If you would like to support me, you can head on over to there. You can head on over there and pick you up a minimalist wallet, or I guess this. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay curious today and every day, and God bless.